want to stand up for a few minutes? Because the next person I'm bringing up is the group MD Extra Large Farms and Resorts Limited.
Today, I'm here to talk about the enemies of entrepreneurs. Number one enemy is fear. And there is only one language fear speaks. Fear is always fast to say, what if you fail? So when fear is telling you what if you fail, you'll be fast to tell fear, what if I succeed? The same level of energy you need to possess to be afraid is the same level of energy you need to be courageous. The greatest enemy you have in business is comfort. There was something I wrote out. I said one thing about customers is that they keep looking for new things. And if you don't give it to them, they will get it elsewhere. So, re-offer it. Make it feel new. Create a form of excitement around it. Why do you think that two people are selling the same product and one person sells more than the other? And they say, oh, maybe it's jazzing it. You two jazz your own with your mouth. Speak well about your product. Be excited about it. So when you now get that excited about those offers and everything, then you have to pass it on to your team. Get your team to be as excited as you are about the offers and packages. Get people to a point where they feel if they don't have your product or service, they are missing out on something.